now it is important, I guess, to the left that even Barbie dolls have a political agenda. So first we heard for years that Barbie dolls made little girls feel inferior about their bodies. Again, I have not met these little girls. My sisters like playing with Barbies, particularly my second sister, I have three, was a big Barbie doll acolyte. She had like entire boxes of Barbie dolls. And never at any point did she say, well, I wish I looked like Barbie. Like, I don't know the idea that little girls were sitting around getting anorexic because they saw a Barbie doll. I always thought that kind of stuff was stupid. I really don't think that's the case. I think that if you're going to look to the reasons for people having body dysmorphia and body image issues, it has very little to do with Barbie and a lot more to do with popular advertising and or parental failures. But now they've decided to turn Barbie into a social justice warrior. So writer Elizabeth Segrin wrote an article for Fast Company in which she said, just before Thanksgiving this year, Barbie had her wokest moment yet. On the official Barbie-style Instagram channel, she was pictured in a series of photos with another doll, Amy, wearing t-shirts emblazoned with "Love Wins," the slogan of the marriage equality movement. Barbie is a doll. It's an inanimate object. Barbie didn't do anything. The people who work at Mattel did something. And the people who work at Mattel did that because they felt like catering to a particular political audience. Politicizing children's toys is really unpleasant, people. It's unpleasant. Okay, making my 3.5-year-old daughter think about lesbianism at 3.5 seems to me a bad move. Maybe this is heteronormative. I don't care. You know why? Because I think that it is better for young girls to be thinking along the lines of eventual marriage to men than it is for them to think that they can marry anyone. I think it is better for society. I think it is better for civilization. Now, they may turn out to be lesbians, right? A little girl may turn out to be a lesbian. That's okay. I don't really have a problem with that. What I do have a problem with is the idea that society is going to suggest that all sexual orientations have equal impact on children, or that all children should be taught about a variety of sexual orientations before they even have sexual feelings or are confused about sexual feelings. Confusing children is a form of sin in my mind, and adults are fond of doing it, and now they're using children's toys to do it. In one of these pictures, the pair is sitting cozily in Barbie's walk-in closet, stroking a dog and staring into each other's eyes. In another, they're eating avocado toast at their favorite Silver Lake Cafe. So good news, Barbie's now a lesbian, which I'm sure makes more men than women happy, actually. But that's not enough. In September, a Barbie-style Instagram account featured Barbie wearing a People Are People t-shirt designed by Christian Serrano to protest President Trump's immigration ban. So now Barbie's an immigration activist, which, again, it's an inanimate object. Why should my 3.5-year-old be taught about immigration policy? This is just stupid. Protecting children and the innocence of children means protecting them from having to think about issues where they've not been informed about any of the background and they have no capacity to make decent decisions on these things. Why we don't allow 5-year-olds to vote. Okay, let's put it this way. If the target audience for your product is not capable of making a rational decision about a topic, don't present them the information on the topic. Okay, don't present them the illusion that they're capable of making a rational decision about this. You're setting a bias in the background. I just think that's wrong.